Please, you guys should be aware of this website that I'm about to show you guys in this video, because after watching this video, you don't need to believe everything that you see online, okay? Now, sometimes you go online, you see some communication on different blogs, communication between one person and one person with their number, maybe communication between me and some other person on WhatsApp, all right? Now, what this website does is it generates fake communication on WhatsApp, on different social media platforms, email, different social media platforms, okay? You can use this website to generate communication between you and somebody, or between you and a number on WhatsApp, not just on WhatsApp, I'm going to show you guys, but I'm not going to go deep down, okay, into the website to start explaining everything to you guys. And please bear in mind that this video is only meant for educational purpose and not for any kind of illegal purpose. So please make sure you don't use it for any kind of deceit. All right. I'm only trying to share so that you guys will be aware that it's not everything that you see on social media blogs online that you have to believe. Sometimes people go a long way to make sure that they frame somebody's up, or they spoil somebody's name by using different means to generate information or proof that somebody was having such communication with the other person. Now, once you see it online, you will think, this is true. But while everything was just generated. So please, just bear in mind that is why I am sharing this particular video, okay? We are actually going to dive right into my laptop now, so that I will show you guys the website and what you can use the website to do. I've already explained to you guys what you can use the website to do. So please do not use it for any kind of illegal purpose. And bear in mind that all the videos I make on this channel and in this particular video, they are only meant for educational purpose. So let's dive right into my laptop. Let me show you guys the website. Now, this is the website that I want to show you guys. It's called Fake Detail. Okay, fakedetail.com. When you go to this website, all right, if you navigate through this website, I'm not going to teach you guys how to use it. All right, I'm only showing you and sharing with you guys so that you guys will not fall victim or believe everything that you see online. When you go to this website, if you go to text message and click on text message, you can see Android text message, okay, iPhone text message. This is the format. All right. This is, if you click on Android, it's going to bring you Android format text message. You guys can see. Okay. Let me go back a little bit. And if you go back here, and click on iPhone, it's going to give you iPhone format. So here you can compose text message. You can do a whole lot of things. All right. And apart from that, social media, you can click on social media. If you click on WhatsApp, chat, WhatsApp video chat, you can see WhatsApp video chat. You can do, there's a whole lot of things you can do here. I don't just want to go down into details and start explaining or teaching you guys how to do it. That is not why I'm here. I'm only trying to show you guys that there are a lot of things that are going on right now on the internet, and AI people are coming up with different AI platforms that you can use to do a whole lot of things. All right, both the good and the bad and the ugly. So you guys should be very, very careful. All right. Don't believe everything that you see online. It's not everything that you see online that is real. Okay. Some of the things that we see online, they are actually very fake. But just because it looks so real, we will think that is real. All right. So with this platform, you can generate any kind of message from any kind of platform, social media platform, WhatsApp, there are different ones that you can use, not just only WhatsApp. All right. If you click on the social media, there are Facebook, Facebook chat, Facebook posts, blah, 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 Instagram, X, TikTok, YouTube. There are a lot. Here you see emails. There are a lot of things that you can use it to generate. You can use it to generate fake information. It will look as if you're communicating with a particular number or a particular name, or you can do a lot of things. That's just all I just want to tell you guys. Okay, so you guys should be very, very careful. And please do not use this website for any kind of illegal purpose. All right, I'm only bringing the awareness so that you guys all the people that are watching my video will be aware that something like this exists. All right, so that is just what I just want to share with you guys in this video. And if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Asugha Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative like always and remain blessed.